This is the reading for the King of Bling quiz. There are 5 questions. So if you notice, this is a text structured question. This is a text structured question. This one is a text feature. This one is asking about the central idea. And this one here is asking about a text feature. So we have talked about all of these questions. 4 hasn't been recently, but we have had these conversations. So just remember the strategies that you have to do. All right, question 1. How does the author organize the information in the section Protecting History? A. The author uses logical order to explain the pyramids and Sphinx. B. The author uses cause and effect to explain what could happen to the pyramids and Sphinx. C. The author uses compare and contrast to explain the pyramids and the Sphinx. Or D. The author uses sequential order to explain the order of how the pyramids will crumble. 2. The author uses the photograph above the first paragraph to A. Show how long the gold has lasted in the tomb. B. Provide a visual of the gold that was in the tomb. C. Provide a visual of King Tut. Or D. Show the type of clothing people wore in ancient Egypt. 3. How does the author organize the information in the section The Afterlife? A. The author uses sequential order to explain what order things were found in. B. The author uses logical order to describe the things discovered in the tomb. C. The author uses comparing and contrast to explain the different things found in the tomb. Or D. The author uses cause and effect to explain what happens when the tomb is ransacked. 4. The author wrote this section most likely to A. Explain King Tut's tomb. B. Provide information about the discovery of King Tut's tomb and his treasures. C. Describe the events within the tomb. Or D. Explain the reader to donate to protect history. 5. Which feature of the selection best helps the reader understand why each item was left in the tomb of King Tut? A. Treasures on tour. B. On tour with Tut and his treasures. C. The afterlife. Or D. Protecting history. Please make sure that you are using your strategies. Whenever you are done, go ahead and turn it in.